Even though we may be in an isolated place, not seeking possessions and such like to any great extent, if our mind falls under the power of desire, a genuine state of meditative concentration will not arise in our being, and our mind will be unable to rest in a state of absorption. Therefore, thoughts of desire must be given up. To turn our thoughts away from attachment to desirable things is particularly important for gaining the special, higher levels of concentration. So we should certainly turn the mind away from craving after members of the opposite sex by reflecting on the cause, the fact that they are not easy to obtain, their nature, which is impure, and the result, which involves a lot of harm, and so on. Moreover, we must understand that the 8 worldly concerns and all thoughts of the present life are our real enemies. We must reflect, therefore, at some length on the problems caused by negative thoughts of desire, and, generating a sense of inner dignity, make heartfelt efforts to abandon them, no matter how many may arise,